Hey guys, just wanted to give, I guess, a quick update on what has happened so far with my car. Last time I said I did valve cover gasket, oil cooler gasket, an oil change, obviously, and spark plugs. And the car has been running pretty good so far. And now I just finally finished doing my engine mount and my pitch stop mount. While I was under there, I looked everything over. I haven't been leaking oil from anywhere, surprisingly, right, on the Subaru. But I finally got these in. Probably like around maybe half an hour or so ago. I just finished showering and relaxing. But these mounts pretty much have 190K on them. And I replaced them with some Group N mounts. I don't know if you'll be able to see, but the top is like torn on both of these. And like this, the plate underneath just been falling off. That one didn't even have one. I mean, it's kind of hard to see, but they're torn and they're like really sponged up compared to the new ones I put in. Obviously, having been like 190,000 miles on these before I replaced them, I guess, because it doesn't look like anyone else has replaced them. I mean, the pitch stop mount is kind of bad too. It kind of moves a lot. I don't know. It's hard to get on the camera, the little cracks and stuff, but they're torn. I mean, this one's like completely messed up. But yeah, so far, can't wait to go for a quick little drive and see how they feel. I mean, I'm not going to be uploading instantly like how the car acts or whatever, but so far, I'm happy where I'm at with it, as usual. Fixing it, maintaining it, whatever, just putting up what I'm doing. Um, but so far, probably in my next video, I will tell you guys how the engine is feeling after having these replaced. Because usually, I don't just want to go for one drive and be like, oh, it's amazing or whatever, or it's like it's totally changed the car. I actually want to drive it. 'Cause, I mean, it is my daily, so I didn't go with any like super like stiff mounts or straight up metal mounts. So I want to see how it rolls and how it rides, and then from there I'll let you guys know how I feel about it and if it's worth it. For me, from where I'm standing here right now, definitely worth it just to get replaced and maintenance, obviously. But again, thanks for watching, and if anything, keep an eye out. And thanks, man.